Hi, you guys. Let's go over the agenda. So this week we have our 4.3 video notes. Make sure that you answer the questions on the slide or else you do not get full points. And then once you are done with the video notes, you are going to go to the ideas and you're going to complete the homework and submit your showing work form on Schoology. In person, we are going to review 4.1 through 4.3, and then we are going to quiz. So if you are not in class on the day that we are quizzing, so if for some reason you have to miss, please let me know so I can send you the quiz, or else you will be missing an 80% grade. This is our final 80% grade before the end of the quarter. Also, don't forget our Zoom times. We have 9 a.m. on Wednesdays and then 10:30 to 11 on Thursdays and Fridays. So our video notes are located in the folder. You'll submit your showing work page here. And like I said, if you are absent, please let me know so that way I can send you the quiz. But other than that, email me or join my Zoom if you have any questions. And I will see you guys in class. Get started on your stuff.